Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Come see the car for yourself.